Hope you guys had a great day in the markets today. In this video, let's do a quick update on the stock market. We're going to be talking about the S&P 500, Apple, and our play on both Apple and Google and how both of them are looking really good. So let's get started right off the back. Today, we expected sideways movement, and we really got that sideways movement today, especially as we are hitting all-time highs for the market. We can expect some choppiness, like price action like this, where we just kind of trade sideways for the past couple days. So we can see right over here, we sort of built this consolidation period here on the daily time frame. Looks very similar to the consolidation on Bitcoin, something like this. But even Bitcoin is actually breaking this consolidation and going for all-time highs. So once we start consolidating for S&P 500, getting price action like this over here, and then we could have that resistance where if we start to close above this level, we have room for all-time highs. Now, overall, we are just pretty much waiting for all-time highs. Everyone is watching for all-time highs, especially as we have these setups like Apple, Google, a bunch of these setups that are just looking absolutely incredible in the market right now. Now, let's talk about Apple right over here. Again, just a solid A plus setup. As you guys know, we are in the Discord. We talked about how this was really a perfect entry right at this level of support. We also do provide free smart money concepts on the unusual flow. So if you guys are interested on it, make sure to check out the Discord. But we can see that Apple is just looking absolutely amazing. Okay, we just need to hold this level of support. Okay, this is all we are asking. Okay, we need to hold this level of support here. Now we do have a gap down below, so we can potentially get that gap fill down below, but all we're asking is we just hold this level of support for Apple. Now overall, it is just looking amazing. Okay, as you can see, this is a major level of resistance. Okay, for the past couple days, we have been getting a tough resistance, price action like this over here, price action like this, where we have just been trading sideways, and that is really the best time to buy in, because then we are about to break out. And once we start breaking out, we're going to see price action like this, and 224 being our price target. That is our level of resistance. We have downtrend breakout, and we made a whole video on Apple, so just watch that video if you want to see the play in depth. In that video, I go over my call option, the price target, stop loss, and everything. So make sure to check that out for Apple. Okay, now Google just looks amazing. So we entered in Apple and we entered in Google. As you guys can see in the Discord over here, we are in Apple and we are in Google over here, and we could see we had some pretty good close on Google because we closed right at the level of resistance. So we just need to hold this level of resistance because we want to break this trend. And today we got that really nice close on Google where we closed above the level of resistance. So our price target is going to be 173 for Google stock here, and it just looks amazing where we're trading out, we're breaking out of this consolidation. So that is pretty much it. Just a quick update on how the market is doing. We really just need to hold these levels and keep that momentum, and once we start to break out, we're gonna see that explosive move like we were expecting. So if you guys do enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe with notifications on, make sure to leave a like, follow on X, SundayStockTalk.com for the free newsletter, and see you guys in the Discord. Bye.